5 Steps to Maintaining a Healthy Beard. Facial hair has found their way into the top 10 beauty trends for men, but what they usually don't tell you is that maintain a beard makes having one a lot of work. This is because to maintain healthy facial hair, there is no shortcut to keeping it all in check. Instead, it takes a little patience. Just like the hair on your head, your beard also needs to be carefully groomed to keep you from looking unkempt. A thick, healthy beard does not grow overnight. You need to tenderly take care of your beard for it to blossom. Here are 5 steps to help you with maintaining a healthy facial hair. 1. Wash your beard with natural shampoo for men. A clean beard is a healthy beard, and just like your hair, your beard also needs to be washed. This is why you should make sure to wash your beard between 2 to 3 times weekly with men. Natural shampoo. Aside from keeping your beard clean, this will prevent the buildup of sweat, excess oil, or dirt in your beard and keeps it smelling great. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos made using natural ingredients instead of chemical-based shampoos, as it wouldn't be wise to put chemicals on the hair that surrounds your mouth. 2. Keep your beard hydrated and conditioned. Now that your beard is clean, it also needs to be soft and shiny. This is where beard oils come in. Using a beard oil keeps your beard conditioned and shiny. When picking out a beard oil, remember that the best beard oils are made using natural ingredients, premium essential oil, and extracts. Beard oils also help in moisturizing the skin underneath your beard, preventing flakes, itching, and maintaining follicle health. Do this by applying a few drops of oil on your palm and massaging the beard oil into the base of your beard. Work your hands through your beard until you reach its hair tips, making sure that the oil is spread evenly on your beard and the skin below. Do this once a day for more effective results. 3. Keep your beard evenly trimmed. Another essential tip to keeping your beard well kept and healthy is to trim it. Beard hairs often do not grow evenly, and as it grows out, you might also want to add a bit of shape. Using a pair of scissors, snip off uneven patches, split and loose ends off your beards to keep it trimmed and even. Remember to follow the natural contour of your face while doing this to ensure that your hair is kept in uniform length. Use a small comb to brush out your beard when trimming to identify what parts need to be cut shorter and make sure they are of equal lengths. 4. Style your beard right. Trimming your beard properly makes styling it even easier. Certain points should be considered when styling your beard. For one, you should use the smiley face technique. Using this technique, start by shaving higher than your chin and follow the curve created by the jawline. Regularly comb your beard using small combs depending on the size and length of your beard. When choosing a beard style, also consider the shape of your face. Full beards are great for men with long, angular faces. 5. Maintain a healthy diet. Like the hair on your head, your facial hair is also affected by your nutrition. In fact, your diet determines how fast your beard grows as well as how great it looks. Opt for a healthy diet rich in omega-3 and vitamins. Also, make sure that your diet is rich in protein and saturated fats to allow your hair to grow onto its full potential. To deal with dry flakes and itchiness, consider using coconut oil as a more permanent treatment. Coconut oil keeps your beard hydrated and gets rid of dry flakes. Simply run a little bit of coconut oil through your beard twice daily to get rid of dry flakes. Maintaining your beard can take a little more time than you would expect, which is why you need to be patient and carefully follow the steps listed above when caring for your beard. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to aid the student.